figure out what I want it in and out.
Okay, so what are you putting in here?
I'm just setting up a little bed for it.
Ah.
So, see, this is a nice little sling. Be soft for him or her. Could be a juvenile, I can't tell at this stage. Just.
Oh, that's a nice sling.
It's a nice little bed, you see, and we make them lie down because they're in shock.
Yeah.
And the fact that she hasn't flown off means that there's something wrong.
Yeah, right.
Or she could fly off if she wanted to.
Ah, okay.
And sorry, I need to find an occasional.
What is that?
It's my neck that'll come up underneath it. Handmade for me. For short people. Oh, probably get some protection. They scratch. They also bite. But I can avoid being bitten. You can rarely avoid being scratched.
Yeah, right.
They've got so many pointy bits. Good girl. No, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. Let me have a look at you. What have you done? No, what have you done, sweetie? What have you done to yourself? Get that foot there. And this foot here. She's probably hit her head.
Oh. And it's safe enough for you to touch them like that?
Yeah, I'm vaccinated though for rabies, which is the only thing you can get from them.
Yeah, right.
Hello, little one.
Look.
Oh. Let me have a look and see what we've got. We have a little girl who is cold, wet, juvenile, quite young.
Oh.
Shouldn't be young at this time of the year. She should be a lot older. She was born late. We've got some glucose for her. Glucose combats shock. Come on.
Oh, so you think it's in a bit of shock?
Yeah, if you've had an accident, you're in shock.
Yeah.
Even if she doesn't lick it up or anything, it's absorbed from her gums. Go on. There we are. You want to taste that? Okay, what's going on here?
Oh,
What have
blood.
you broken? She may, that might be a leg fracture. Have a look, sweetheart. No, that's okay. Let me just have a look at the leg, sweetie. Have a look. I don't know what's going on with the leg, whether there's a fracture there or whether she's just bumped it. Can you move it? Oh, you can. That's good. That looks like it's not broken. You just dinged it a little bit. No, love. You don't have to climb on me. You don't have to do anything at all. You don't. There we are. I'll just cover her up because that makes her feel better and more secure and safer. Did you want to give her a name?
Sam, you found her. Do you want to give her a name?
Samantha.
Samantha.
Okay. You're a good girl.